Welcome to my channel IELTS Without Effort. And those who do not know me, I am an ex-IELTS examiner, and yes, I have my online classes and of course the material which is very genuine, and I have my evaluation services. So without much ado, let's dive into the question. Now I have deliberately chosen this question for you, and it is the most difficult one. Yes, because lot of changes have taken place, and therefore we need to describe all the changes, right? And then it becomes difficult to do that. So let's see how we can do it. First, I just give you an overall view of the map, and of course lot of changes are there. And the beauty of this video is you will get lot of copy paste vocab, and be towards the end because I have marked with yellow the vocab that you can use elsewhere also or in the map. And this is a difficult map, again I am repeating, because of number of changes, and you must do it before your exam. It could not be more difficult the way the changes are. See, now this is describing an industrial area in the town and the future, and what in future it would be. So see, I have marked in these green, see here, yeah, these are the changes which are proposed. See, now there's a farmhouse here, farmland here, and here it is the housing. I have made it easy for you, see, yeah, and see here what is here. This is the housing and this is the factory. Be very careful about this. And also the directions are given here also. See, there are housing here, then houses here, a playground here, then the shops, the medical center, right? And the farmland, it has shrunk in size. So you must note this. See the way I have done. See, 1, 2, then I have written a mini roundabout. This is a new road that is going to emerge. That means I have earmarked, or I have decided in the beginning that I have to keep these things in my mind. Yes. Now let's come to the way I am going to do this. See how I am going to do that. Let's come to that now. Yeah, so this is the maps illustrate or show, it can be anything, an industrial zone or region also, you could say that, you could say a region also in the Norbiton. Of course you can't change the name of the town. Currently, this is yellow, and a proposed redevelopment. Whenever there is change, you can say propose redevelopment. Keep noting down, this is copy paste scheme for the whole area. Yellow ones you can copy paste please. Overall, the Norbiton in near future will be more residential, means there will be more houses, ज़्यादा houses होंगे. Sorry, I skipped the Hindi, I'll try to do. So the factories will be flattened, please, demolished. Building flatten होती हैं to give way, उसकी जगह to give way for new housing complex, to give way for copy paste. Moreover, 2 new roads, yeah, so because there are a lot of changes, so this is how I am putting. Moreover, 2 new roads and a mini roundabout, see, this change would be added along with 2 new shops and a medical center and a school. So I have included lot of things, and you can do that dash, comma and give copy paste the sentence. Moreover, da, and you can do that. Now again, copy paste. Looking at the current layout, that means at present. So don't say present, say current layout, and this is layout means plan. There is a main road that runs from east to west with a roundabout in the middle. एक ही middle में था ना roundabout, which is flanked by, means surrounded by, flanked by. Instead of saying surrounded by, you should say flanked by factories that reach out. See, reach out, extend होती हैं to the east. So reach out, yellow. So copy paste vocab. In the north, the farmland is located just across the river. So just across, ये होता है across. At the present moment, there are no residences or other structures in this industrial park. कह सकते हो बेटा, factory area or location. This is the choice I have given you of the words. And please, I have this academic writing module package for $6.99. You can easily, attempt your exam without going through any coaching. This is additional if you want. See this. This is grammar, 9 bands, the synonyms and antonyms. Then you have extra practice, you have brand 9 samples, and of course this is for $199 each. पूरा मॉड्यूल नहीं है, each का वैल्यू ये है बेटा. And then I also have for the general. Yeah, see this, the general also. You need not have to go any coaching center, and even the trainers, I cannot reveal the names. Even they have kind of bought this material, and you can bring this, buy it. Now let's come to the regarding revamping, reconstruction, remodeling. ये मैंने आपको चॉइस बताया. जब आपने बताना है कि ये चेंज हो जाएगा, उसका आप रीवैम्प कर सकते हो, रिकंस्ट्रक्शन करते हो, और रीमॉडलिंग कर सकते हो. ये कोई भी वर्ड लिख सकते हो. अ न्यू रोड विल बी बिल्ट फ्रॉम द न्यूली एडेड टाइनी सेंट्रल राउंड अबाउट. मैंने बताया था ना आपको, एक दूसरा राउंड अबाउट ऐसे करके आएगा, वो रोड आएगा. Tiny central roundabout towards the north, and a bridge will be built over the river. So the bridge will be built over the river, okay, with space for additional houses to be constructed on the farmland. So the new one, the farmland is here, if you remember, and the new houses are here, and the river is here, right? In addition, a road extending northwest with housing and shops is earmarked for construction. So this road that is extended, the small one, okay, towards the northwest. Yes, it is towards the northwest. Next to the new mini roundabout. So this is the new mini roundabout. Just go and see that. A medical, I told you, a medical facility will be constructed. To the east, a school and a playground are to be built with extra residential facilities. See, okay, notably, now this is copy paste. It is anticipated that, anticipated means अनुमान लगाया जाता है, या that no industries will exist in the future. Okay, industries कोई भी नहीं रहेंगी वहाँ पे, in this industrial area, zone, region, whatever you want to say. And C, for coaching by an ex-IELTS examiner. See, all over India, no examiner is teaching herself. They only give recorded or their courses, but I teach you live on Zoom, and personal and group classes are available. Of course, I told you the genuine material is available. It is not something that is cheap. And if you like the video, please support my channel and share with your friends. Press that bell icon so that you can get notifications, and please comment if you like or not like, and even if you want me to make some other video, please you can put those comments and I really answer them. Thank you for your time. God bless you all.